Welcome to Old Friends and New Roads. My name's Keith.
My name's Eric.
Nice. Welcome, Eric.
Hello.
We're in my backyard, about to do some cooking. Actually, I posted on Instagram this. Well, I keep getting this ad for this stainless fucking sheet metal cooker thing, and like, I'm pretty good at CAD, and I know people that can cut metal, so I just did my own. I definitely copied their design, but I'm not selling it. It's just for us. But I actually made some improvements, and I think we'll go over that as we get into it.
Sweet.
We don't often cook regularly, right, on the road.
Right.
Like we're kind of like the first night out, we'll bring like foil packs to throw on the fire, and then from then on out it's just road food.
Yep. You're right.
But considering like a month in Alaska, you just so much road food, you just get sick of it.
Yep.
So, had you seen this cooker at all?
I haven't. No.
No ads have popped
No
up.
ads. No. Yeah. It looks cool.
Yeah, it does look cool. So, the premise is that it's a bunch of sheet metal that nests together to make this grill, and that way it kind of packs flat. It's heavy, and I consider it aluminum, but I don't know how aluminum would hold up.
Yeah, under all the heat.
Yeah. So, before we fire it off, I'll talk about my upgrades. So I put these holes in the sides so that after it's going, you could feed the fire without messing with the grill.
Okay.
I did that. I added a second layer underneath here to put like bread in.
Oh, nice.
For like toasting bread.
Nice.
And then Kate thought this was like a griddle plate, but actually, like if we were doing burgers and you put cheese on it, you wanted it to melt. I actually intended it to be like maybe like a heat reflect thing.
Okay.
To help melt cheese, but I think my tolerances were a little too loosey-goosey, so it kind of sags a little bit.
Right. Yeah.
Just like the one I copied, we got skewers. So if you wanted to skewer some meat, I put these little slots in here so that you can just kind of rotate it around.
Nice.
And that's it.
Sweet.
So I think we're gonna get it fired up. The beef culotte. Probably just destroyed that. I'm a super beef fan, but I didn't recognize this cut. All right. Got the meat over there. I'm gonna wash my knife real quick. My secret spice blend. It's amazing. If you want to know what it is, hit me up. 'Cause I ain't telling everybody. Let's do both of them. Oh, you want to flip that one?
This one?
Yeah, the pour method went a little heavy. Okay.
Oh, nobody's in here this time of night and wait.
Pull these?
Yeah.
There?
Yeah, that's fine. I thought about getting lamb, but I thought maybe that the neighbors, maybe their lambs don't want to smell lamb cooking. Or goats don't want to smell lamb cooking. So, I'd say, you know, we're halfway through the cook. Getting like an even bed of coals is pretty important.
Yeah.
If this was just a bunch of twigs and stuff, shoving them in the side, like you'd be doing that most of the time. If it was like the charcoal briquettes,
Right.
this thing would just be killing it.
I agree. Yeah.
You can kind of stack them in there, maybe 3 or 4 wide in a row. This thing would just be unstoppable. Oh God. So I'm not like a super stickler for raw beef when it's good beef. I just don't think it can get you sick.
No. When it's good beef, no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when I buy good beef, even pork anymore is pretty safe.
Yeah.
I still have a hard time cooking it to like medium rare. But we've been to some restaurants, they'll serve your pork medium rare, and it's a little bit of like
Yeah.
it'd be like if your chicken breast was medium rare, you
No,
know.
I can't do chicken. Chicken's got to be cooked.
Cook
man.
it up.
Same with hamburger.
Oh, you can't do
Hamburger-
a medium rare hamburger?
No.
Man, I'm for that.
No, I can't do it. Hamburger's got to be done.
Even if it's good beef.
It can be good beef, but you don't know where that beef's coming from. Like, you know where this steak is?
right.
The beef, like, when you have a hamburger, that meat's coming from maybe the outside of the
Like
cow.
a danger zone.
You don't know.
Oh, I thought you meant like
This
you
stuff's
don't know
safe.
you don't know where the cow's been.
It's true, you don't.
I obviously bought this from New Seasons, but we typically buy it by the quarter, so it's like the same cow is the same
Yeah.
burger, and the stuff's just amazing. If we were cooking the stuff that I get right now, you'd be smelling like whiskey and brown sugar right now. Stuff is crazy good. Pioneer Ranch, best beef in Oregon. My partner Evan out there really takes care of it.
What's this one?
Varietal Beer Company, Sunnyside, Washington. Booyah. What is it?
Hazy IPA.
Northwest Hazy IPA. It's been my jam lately. They claim, some people claim hazy beer, but it's just not. Looks pretty hazy. Come on, Waddle.
What?
Look at that.
Look at that. Little fat cap rendering. Looks good.
So my sister, Monroe Cooks, has a YouTube channel where she cooks food. And now I'm cooking food.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm not competing. I made the cooker, and we're cooking.
Should have had her come over and cook on it for us.
Hey, give this a go.
She does some good stuff. Go check her out.
Yeah, check her out if you're into cooking shows. She's good. She's funny. Actually, now that we're on the subject, me and all my siblings do YouTube stuff. Yeah, Monroe cooks. She cooks food. Tara Bostix. Fostick. It's only one of her. She does makeup stuff, and she's super funny. I like watching her. I feel like I'm hanging out with her when I watch her, so we put it on the TV. Then my brother doing stuff, drinking. What's up, brother?
Yeah, he's doing that F100 or something like that.
Yeah.
That thing's pretty sick.
I know. I went over there the other day, and he was continuing to knock off. Somebody like spray foamed the whole bed.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So he's working through that, but yeah, if you're into that other stuff, you know, we just, I guess moral of the story is we just kind of do stuff. It's just what we do. It's better than the first one.
Yeah.
That is a juicy beer.
Yeah. No,
I can't even focus at work.
So nice outside. So we just move offices at work, right? And there ain't a fucking window in the damn place. So I don't get to see the outside.
Oh yeah. No, I'm in the center of the building.
Yeah. Yeah. Just basically
I don't even get I can't even look from my office. I can't even look a direction and see a window.
Yeah. You go out there at lunch or something and it's
Yeah.
like, what the fuck am
So
I doing
nice.
here? So I text you on
Yeah, we should have skipped. I was like, fuck.
play hooky.
Yeah, so like I've been wanting to. It was still 32 degrees this morning. It was freezing, but it's like, you know, if I had the bike, I texted the owner of my I emailed the owner of my company this morning or midday because he remarked on it's hard to work when it's this nice. I just told him, I said we should have brought Harleys today.
Is he right?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, we're the same age. He just happens to own the company.
Nice.
Yeah, it's good for him, I guess.
No shit.
Hey, not with all that shit breaking. It's working. The stove's working. It like
Sticks out.
it's kind of concave a little bit there, but John's gonna get a kick out of this. So one year we all were like, hey, we're gonna bring food and not forget it this time. And we all brought our own. This was this was the November, the cold riding one.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we all tried really hard. I brought steak and
I brought steak.
potatoes. Eric brought steak. John brought top ramen.
That was weird. He's
It
normally
was
a
weird.
steak and
Oh,
potato
yeah.
guy.
Bag of butter. Yeah, and he's just like, oh, I bring this. I'm like, yeah. I don't know that you do. I was surprised by that.
I never saw him bring.
He always
Top
brings,
ramen.
yeah, like a three-course, man. Yeah, he just goes all out. He usually puts us to shame.
Yeah.
One year we just forgot to bring one. That was on the trip that my bike died. We went to Central Oregon. We were like, hey, we're gonna bring foil packs. We're like, okay, cool. Me and Kate didn't bring anything, so we had to stop for sandwiches that we ate fucking midday. We had sleep for dinner.
Dinner at camp is so good though.
So good.
Bring your foil pack.
Yeah.
I mean, even we've done when we went down to California. We've went to the store and got fresh vegetables and all that
Yeah.
stuff, and that was good.
That was really fun. So like with this cooker, like, man, we usually, like we all want to get to camp with enough time to have downtime.
Yep.
But I wonder if this cooker would be like I don't have time for that. You imagine, like, we depend on the cooker. We get to camp at like 7, and you got to go through this for dinner, you know? So I
Yeah,
wonder-
I agree. Like, cause you get through the day. First day, obviously, we're all like
You're all amped and jazzed,
We're
yeah.
good to cook dinner. But day 3 or 4, it's like, fuck, I don't want to cook dinner. I kind of just want to go get a burger or something, you know?
Yeah, so I wonder if this is like a good from here on out. Wow, that's working pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, it might be. When we were in California, we cooked quite a bit at camp, you know?
Well, The difference being, like, we were in the same place for multiple
True.
nights, so
True.
that, like, that day was really easy to prepare.
Yeah.
Like, I think on this year's trip, I keep changing the route because I keep finding cool stuff.
Yeah.
There's like a 500-mile day if it does it.
Really?
Yeah.
Jesus.
I know, but it's like Nevada.
Yeah, it's just flat, straight.
Yeah.
Right.
But it's scary.
Yeah, we never done a 500-mile day on a big trip.
Never on a
Or probably ever. Yeah,
on a
ever.
small trip. All right, I'm gonna cut us some stuff, Eric.
Sweet.
I'm just gonna kind of. I don't know how you are with onions, but
That's good.
I think that one needs to rest a little longer. Go against the grain. Serve it up, buddy. You okay with fat cap?
Yeah, I'm good.
Mm.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah. That's a good steak. Sorry to bring out all the frills.
It's good. It's gonna be good. You ain't got no hot sauce in it? No, I'm just kidding.
All right. Steak
There we go.
dip. Yeah, that one's kind of the. Good, Eric.
Yeah, it's good.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Thanks for inviting me over for a good steak.
Yeah. Steak and beer. Let's go. Mm.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that steak is good.
Oh, it was good. Mm. Wow. Cool lot. Beef culotte.
Good.
So, well, a little hard to get through. Yeah, we'll see if this cooker makes it. I'm glad I didn't buy one for 150 bucks,
Yeah. Yeah.
but oh, we couldn't do this on a jet boil
No.
or even on an open fire without like being prepared. You know, everything's nice and got a nice black to it. It's good.
Yeah.
Mm. All right.
Nice work.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
I almost did it. Thanks for watching. See you on down the road. Almost did it.